Hello, my learners. How are you? How are you doing? It's your math teacher, Murad Sultan Zwidi. Just I promised you that I will try as soon as possible to prepare for you a revision. So I'm here, and you are here in your homes. I wish that you start revising. Okay. So we start, my learners. Landscape. Go to landscape. Okay. Now we start solving the question. Revision. Okay. So find the missing numbers. Here we have 8 plus minus 3 gives what, my learners? Gives 8 plus 3, because minus is equal to what? Is plus. So this one equal to what, my learners? Equal to 11. Sorry, 11. Why is not written? Okay, no problem. Equal to 11. Clear? So I'll just do this one. So what is the correct answer here? Is 11. Clear? Then here is a number sequence. We have 4, 5, 3, then a missing box, then a missing number, then negative 3. Write down the 6th and the 7th term of the sequence. So look here. This is 1. Then we have 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Then we have negative 3. Then it will be negative 5. Then negative 7. So okay, the correct answer, write down the 6th and the 7th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So just write here minus, and here minus 7. So the correct answer, this is the first term, second term, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This is the 6th term, and the equation is looking for the 6th term. Okay. Then, and also this is 7th. This is the 7th term. The question also is looking for the 7th term. Clear? So the correct answer, learners, is that. Only this. Okay. This is an example can help you, let's say, revising the sequence. Now round the following numbers 45.165 to 1 decimal places. Means I went only 1 digit after the decimal place. I don't like 2 digit. Okay, so we should work with the 6th. The 6th, my learners, is more than 5, so I will round up. I will add 1 to the 10th column's value, means 1 plus 1 is 2. So the correct answer, it will be 45.2. Now in the following diagram we have what? Okay, in the following diagram, learners, we have, okay, the diagram, the line AB is parallel to the line DE. Okay, and DE is the transversal, or DB or DC is the transversal, means the line that cuts the two parallel lines. This angle is called what? Alternate angles to this, because this is the letter Z. If you see the letter Z, means this angle is equal to that. And corresponding angles, you see this F. This F, I will just extend. If you want to extend the line, I will extend like that. Okay, this is the F. I will make like that. Okay, this is the letter F. Okay, this is the letter F. This angle is equal to this. It's called corresponding angles. Now the question is that if the size of the angle ABC is 110 degree, find the size of the angle ABD is equal to ABD. Where is A? ABD. So this one is angle sum on a line is 180. So 180 minus 110 gives 70 degree. Clear? The next learners, we have the marks of, let's say, some students. The marks of students are recorded in the frequency table below. The mark 5 has a frequency of 3, 6 has a frequency of 9, 7 has a frequency of 8, 8 has a frequency of 8. The question is find the range. The range, my learners, is what? Is the largest value, the largest mark minus the smallest mark. Okay, so it's easy. Just you make 8 minus 5 is 3. Clear? I wish that you got the point. How can you find the range using the frequency table? Okay, now for the second one, we have a fraction. Write the fraction 5 over 100 in simplest form. To write this in simplest form, my learners, you should cancel the highest common factor. The highest common factor of 5 and 100 is 5. Means I will divide 5 by 5, gives 1. Then 100 divided by 5 gives 100 divided by 5 gives 20. So the correct answer, my learners, is this. Okay, I want color. Yes. Okay. Copy and complete the shape to be symmetrical about the mirror line. This is the shape that we are looking for. Okay. Insert. Okay. Look. This is the shape that we are going to reflect it, okay, through or under the mirror line. This is the mirror line, the dashed line, you see. So, in your opinion, if you are going to reflect this in the mirror line, which, let's say, figure that fits to this shape? So it's clear here. This one, clear? The next. Okay, come. Okay, I'll put it here. The next question. Here we have a triangle XPY. Okay, this is the triangle XPY, and this is PM. You see that PM, in fact, is the perpendicular bisector to the line segment XY. I will just read the question. Which line segment represents the perpendicular bisector of the line segment XY? In your opinion, is it XY, this one, or XP, or PY, or PM? What is the correct answer? So, is PM because the perpendicular bisector passes through the P, the vertex of this triangle, and let's say passes also through the midpoint of the line segment XY. That's why this is the perpendicular bisector. So the correct answer is MP or PM. Okay? This is, learners, is the correct answer. Clear? The next example we have. Now calculate negative 16 multiplied by negative 2. Negative by negative is positive. Double 16 is 32. Okay. Then negative or 102 divided by negative 3. So gives what? We can use long division. How many 3's in 3 gives the answer? I'll just write the answer. So positive divided by negative is negative. Okay. Then 10 divided by 3 is 3. Then 3 by 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Then I will use 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So the correct answer is 24. Clear? Now for the second question, we have learners, we have, okay, given 3p plus 2 equal q. This is my equation. I want to make what? The p as a subject. So first of all, this is a plus 2, I will write it, I will transfer there, it will be negative 2. Then I will erase this one, okay, because, sorry, plus p, okay. Then I want to find only p, so I should divide both sides by what? I should divide both sides by 3. 3 divided by 3p divided by 3 gives p equal, then I will try to use a fraction, or I will insert an equation. Insert Mr. Murad. Yes, والله I'm very exhausted today. I already recorded for grade 11, 6 and now 7. Okay, so I will make q minus 2 divided by what? By 3. Okay, now this is, I wrote really a p in terms of q. Okay, and this is what what you should do if the question is like make p as a subject. Okay, now I will use this one to solve the question. Here I will just put it here because the question is try to find the value of p when q is 5. I will just substitute here q by 5. 5 minus 2 learners is 3. 3 divided by 3 equal 1. Okay, so this is the answer. Move to the next question. Round the following numbers to the given degree of accuracy. We have 184.59 to the nearest whole number. Means you are going to work with the first digit that is on the right hand side of the decimal point. Means I will work with the 5. From 5 and up, I should round up. I should add 1 to what? I should add 1 to 4. Okay, I will write here 1. Okay, 1 plus 4, 1 هذا, this one, I will change color, plus 4, this one is 5. This one, no need to write it, 59, the digits that are on the right hand side of the decimal point, no need to write it because you are going to find a whole number. So the answer is, answer is what? Is equal, is 185. Clear? For the second one, try to round this number to the nearest 1000. To the nearest 1000, you should work with the 100 columns value, which is 5. From 5 and up, add 1 to the 1000 columns. The 1000 columns here, my learners, you can see the value of the 1000 columns is 0. So just add here 1. Okay, it will be 1000. The answer is equal to 1000. Clear? Okay, I will explain this differently. Okay, this is 1000, this is 100, this is tens, this is a unit. Okay, look, I will just separate. Okay, this is the 1000, the value, the digit that is in the columns of 1000 is 0. It's not written, but it's clear that it's 0. Okay, so in order to round this number to the nearest 1000, my learners, I will work with the 100 columns. Okay, which is 5. 5 from 5 and up, from 5 and more, add 1 to the 1000 columns value. This is 0 already. I can, let's say, no need to write, but I want to explain this one for you. So the one that you are going to add up, you will add to the 1000 columns. So it will be 1 and the rest will be 0. So that's why answer should be equal to 1000. Now we'll write these numbers from largest to smallest. I will read the numbers. Okay, 623, 820, 623.890, 623.710, okay, and 623.680. So the largest one is what, my learners? Don't look at the first 3-digit numbers because they have the same value. You can't compare here. You cannot compare here. Okay. Then move to the next also to tell you that no need to see the first 3-digit numbers that is on the left hand side of the decimal point because they have the same value. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 2, 2, 2, 2, and so on. You cannot compare. Move now to This is 8, this is 8. This is 7, this is 6, so these are too small. I will compare this and that because you are going to find to write the larger number first. Clear? Okay. So this is 820, this is 890. This is the first one. This is, my learners, the first number. Okay. Then after that comes this one. Okay, copy and paste here. Then we finished this one. Now 623, 710, 623, 680. This is the smallest one. So we'll write this one, my learners, copy, and I'll put it here. Okay, and the last one, 623.680. Good boy. Okay, now this is the smallest one. This one is the largest. Okay, and this one is the smallest one. Now I put these numbers in order of size starting from the largest. Now move to the measurement metric unit. We have convert the following measurement to the given units. 3.3 kilometer. It will be what? It will be 3,300. Why? Because we multiply from larger unit to smaller unit. We multiply by 1,000. Between parentheses, from larger units to smaller unit. Mr. Murad, what happened to you today? Okay, from larger unit to smaller unit, multiply by what? Multiply by 1,000. Clear, I thought. Then I'll put into parentheses because explanation. Okay. Then I will change the color if you would like. Okay. This is the answer is 3,300. Now we have 350 milliliter is equal to what as liter? It will be 0.350, 0.350, or also equal 0.35. The unit is already liter. Okay, so now I will just write this again here, copy, and I will paste it here, then to add something for you. From now smaller unit to larger unit, we divide. Yes. Okay. The next question, find the missing English letters G and I in the following diagram. You see that G is equal to, I will make it down. Okay. Find the missing English letter, let's say G and I, in the following diagram below. So sorry. This is 75, this is 20. I will add them, I will get 195. So 100 minus 180 minus 95 gives what? 85. 85 degree, of course. The degree is written there. Okay. Now, for this one, you can see these two parallel lines. This is a line parallel, and this is the transversal, or the third line that cuts the two parallel lines. So this angle and this angle are calling corresponding angles, because you can see this letter F. This is the letter F. You see, this one is the letter F. I will just make rotation to see it again. Okay, this is F, you see. This is F. So this one is corresponding angles, and this one also it's called corresponding angles. Their angles should be equal. The size of the angle should be equal. So it will be 75 degree. Okay. Now we move to the next question. Given the following, let's say, set of data, putting in order, all these set of data are putting in order. So the question is find the mode. The mode you already know about. For example, I will add something here. 3, okay. 3, okay. بعدين 3. Okay. Now I'm going to work out the mode, to find the mode. The mode is the common value. See this one. How many times is repeated? 25. It's 3 times. Okay, the two, it's the two, only one single, 3 double, 27 double, 29 double. Okay, and the other single. So this one is the mode. Clear? The mode. No learners. Copy and paste here. It will be this one. The mode is, Mr. Murad, is equal to Mr. Murad. Yes, very good teacher. Thank you. Okay, now, hello, Mr. Ram. How are you? Yes, my son. Inshallah, tomorrow I will do your. Inshallah, ya Rabbi, tomorrow morning here in the school, I will start doing the revision for grade 10. The whole revision that we saw here in the classroom, I will do it again. May one student forget to write, let's say, what was written on the board, so I will make a full summarize for what we saw exactly. Okay. And you should focus on the revision. Yes, tomorrow. The revision that you have there now, Mr. Ram, in the online revision, there is no big difference, okay? No big difference. But may shows you how can you, let's say, graph the equation, how can you sketch, let's say, the equation, okay, something like that. Just additional information, because all, let's say, the revision we saw in the classroom. Yeah, me, I will prepare online, like today. I prepare, then I will share in my channel, yes. Okay? You have a question? Which question? Yes. Okay. This one you see is difficult? Okay. Give me 5 minutes. I will come to you. Only 5 minutes. If you want to stay here, stay. Okay? So we continue. These are the masses in kilogram of 11 students. The question is find the median. So you can see that they are put in order. 42, I will cross this one. Okay. Then I will cross one from the left hand side, also one from, let's say, the left hand side, and one from the, so the answer is 43. Clear? But there is another method which is useful and very important. The number of values is, okay, so the median first method, we use the first method. The median is equal to what? To 43. The second method, number of values equal 5. 5 is odd. 5 is odd. So add 1 to n, then we'll make n plus 1. N plus 1 divided by 2 give us 6 equal 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the median is in the third position. The third position. position or number as you like. Okay, which one? This is first position, second position, third position, this one. I'll just write here first position, first, بعدين second, ND, no, بعدين third, بعدين fourth, بعدين fifth. Okay, this one will learn what I mean exactly. This is one, the first position. This is the second one. This is the third. This is the fourth, and this is the fifth. You can see guys, this is the third position, which is solved here. Clear? Okay, now we move to the next question. Question 15. So Murad wants to compare between two fractions, 1/5 and 1/4. He told that 1/5 is less than quarter. Okay. So is he correct? He wrote 1/5 is less than 1/4. Is he correct? Of course, yes. Okay, why? You should find equivalent fractions, my learners, to explain this one. So you will make what? So I told I went to find equivalent fractions for 1/5, for 1/5, where the denominator value is 20. So I should multiply 1 by 4, it will be 4, and 5 by 4. 1 by 4, it will be 20, yes. And the next one, I will multiply this by 5, 1 by 5, and 4 by 5 to get 20. Clear? So already 4, the numerator value is less than what the 5 is less than 5 of the second fraction, and this fraction 5 over 20 is equal to 1/4, and 4/20 is equal to 1/5. So I will just write like that, copy. I will make this one equal 1/5, or 1/5 here, no problem. 1/5. Okay, it will be 4. I will erase this one. Is less than 1/4. 1/4, which is 5, which is equal. Classical is already written there. Okay, so this is the explanation, my learners. Clear? The next question. State the number of lines of symmetry of an order of partial symmetry of equilateral. So the answer is 3 lines of symmetry, 3 lines of symmetry, and what? And order 3 of rotational symmetry. Okay, so this is the correct answer, learners. Now given that x plus 6 equal to x plus 2, solve for x. It's very easy. I will just write it here again. I will make, this is x, I will put it here, it will be minus x. Then, so I transferred this x here, okay, like that. I will make like that. I'll make a shape to and send this one. Okay, this x I put it here. Okay, then and this one I want to rotate first. Rotate بس rotate بعد تحل المشكلة. Okay. Okay. And this one learners. I'll make like that. Okay, these two. Okay, again space. I need space. Okay, these two my learners. These two I will put it on the. I will transfer it on the right, left hand side, and this X I want to transfer there on the. Yes. So it will be what? It will be 2x minus x. Then I will erase this one. Then plus 2, it will be 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. So therefore, what we have, 2x minus x is x. X equal 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. So this is the correct answer. Now move to the next question. Okay, I will just put it here. Here we have the mark of some students, okay, of students recorded in the frequency table. Calculate the mean. The mean my learners is, no, not this. I need the fraction. Which one? Where is? Okay, I will use this one. Copy. Okay, move to equation. Equation tools. Yes. Okay. That's what I'm looking for. I will erase percentage. So the mean is equal to what? 1 multiplied by 10 means 10, plus 2 multiplied by 5 is 10 plus 10, plus 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by it will be 60, صح? Okay, it will be 20. I will make 20. Okay, no problem. 4 multiplied by 15 is 60, plus 60 divided by what? The total of the student. We told 10 plus 20 is 30 student. Okay, divide by 30. Okay, this one equal what, my learners? Equal, I will use another fraction. This one, it will be 80 divided by 30. You can simplify more also. It will be equal to, you can use your you can use my kids. We have 8 divided, we can simplify 8 divided by 3, which is gives 2.6 approximately, 2.7. Gives 2.666, which is equal to 0.7 to 1 decimal place. Clear? This is the answer. Now for the next one. Now extend if 20% of 450 equal 90, what is 40% of 450? You can see this is what? 20. I doubled the number here. I doubled this one. Okay? And I keep the same amount. I can color this one. So you should, let's say, double the answer. Clear? It will be 180. 90 multiplied by 2 is 180. Now 74%, I will write it as it is. but I want to change color to use color. Okay, so 24% Mallore's is equal to, no, I will use, yes, as a decimal. Okay, as a decimal, so it will be immediately 0.74. okay, no need to convert to fractions. So this is you will use your pair of compasses to draw this kind of questions. Okay, it's easy. Now we have the diagram shows the graph of a line y equal x plus 3. You can see the y-intercept is at the point or occurs at the point 0, 3, and the x-intercept occurs at the point 0, negative 3. Okay. The question is find the gradient. The gradient you can see here. This is 1 multiply by, I will make multiply is not clear. Okay, 1 multiplied by x is x. So this is in fact is the gradient. Or you can use 3 divided by 3 is 1. Okay, so here write down the x intercept of the line AB. X intercept is minus 3. Okay, minus 3. Okay, this is the answer. Then, my learners, we have the next question. Calculate the gradient. The gradient we told 3 divided by 3. Okay, or it's from the equation you can. Okay, so the gradient is equal to 1. Answer gradient is equal to 1. The coefficient of x, or you are going to use a construct a right angle triangle, which is this one, and the change of y, the y change divided by x change. Okay. Then for the next question, simplify the ratio. Here 15 divided by 3 gives 5. Then 9 divided by 3 is 3. So this is how can we simplify a ratio? A ratio should simplify by the highest common factor. Now let's see this one. Mr. Nizar and Murad are sharing $200 in the ratio of 6 to 4. First of all, total of parts is I will make 6 plus 4 is 10. This is the first step. Then I will make $2,200 divided by what? By 10 gives 20. This is each part, the part of each person. Now to find Nizar gets, how much Nizar will get, he will get 20 multiplied by 6, and Murad 20 multiplied by 4. So I'll just write here Nizar, where I did write لأن أكتبها هنا على أستاذ مراد. Okay, Nizar gets 20 multiplied by 6 equal multiply by 6 equal $120. الحين مراد gets 20 multiplied by 4 gives 80. Clear? $80. If you want to check, 120 plus 80 is $200. So the question is answered. Now we move to the last question. Fatima has a phone. The time on the phone is 17:23, means 23 minutes past 12. Write these using 12 o'clock hour clock. You should this is PM now. This is 24-hour clock. I want to write it using the 12-hour clock. Means I will subtract 17 minus 12 gives 5. So the answer is, where to answer Mr. Murad here, is 5. Yes, 5 to 23. Of course, PM. Okay, this is the answer. Color. Now Fatima started a phone call at 32 past 18 minutes. The phone call finished at 1916. Work out the length of the phone call. Okay, look here. I will start here. So we have 18 what? 32. Okay. Plus how many minutes? Plus 28 minutes. Okay. Will reach the 7 o'clock, means 19 o'clock. الحين I will add what? 16 minutes. Okay. So the correct answer is 28 plus what? Plus 16. Okay. So what is our work out the length of phone call? So we'll this is just explanation. Now we'll make 28 mn plus 16 mn. Okay, so it will be 44 minutes. You say, of course, equal 44 mn. Clear? This is the last answer, and thank you for listening, my son. I wish that your teacher, at least he promised you that he will share something with you, my learners. This is what I told, and thank you for listening. Goodbye.